Hi, today we're going to do a quick rundown of how to prep and sublimate a leather journal. When you get your journal, it's going to come with the interior pages to write on, a separate piece of cardboard that acts as a shim. This will get used during the sublimation process and then will get discarded. So you're going to remove all the contents, the pages, and the cover sheets here. We'll set those aside. And you're going to be left with just the cover here and the remaining shim. So you're going to put the shim in the middle here to act as a spacer to make the entire surface flat, so that when you press on it, you don't have an indentation and a void in your sublimation print. So I'm going to put that in there. We'll take our design here, we'll lay it out, make it slightly bigger. Made this one 12.25 inches by 8.5 inches, so that you have a slight bleed beyond the cover size here. That way you get an edge-to-edge print that will look really nice. So we'll just center it on there. Try to get it square. And we're going to put our shim in here, make sure that it's nice and flush and locked in. Then we're going to take a piece of heat tape, and we're going to tape at the top of that shim to hold it in place. And we're going to do the same thing on the other end. And we're going to tape both ends of the cover. All right, so there you've got all four sides taped, and we're going to press this on medium to firm pressure, good amount of pressure, not crazy heavy, and we're going to do it for 375 degrees for 50 seconds, and then we'll bring it out of the press and see what happens. All right, we got this thing off the press. Let's see how it looks. I'm excited to see. It's the first one we've ever done. That's pretty awesome. Remove the tape. Remove that cardboard and get rid of it. There's our finished leather journal.